against Arema we make good things, special the result. But we must have our feet on the earth, not dream too much, because we must be realist. Arema good team, and maybe if we're gonna play 10 times against this team, maybe just win one time, and it was before yesterday. So we are happy because the result, we make good things, but we need to improve many things.
Ya, dan melawan Arema memang benar kita mendapatkan hasil yang bagus, karena ya bahagia dengan skornya itu, tapi kita harus tetap membumi. Kita tahu bersama bahwa tim Arema di atas kertas lebih baik daripada tim kita. Mungkin dari 10 kali kita melawan Arema, mungkin kita hanya menang satu kali.
One of the things that we want we hope that before the Liga 1 starts, it's to have more options for some positions. It's important because maybe some players going to be injured, maybe sent off, maybe not in shape, and after we don't have too much solutions. And it's important to find these solutions now.
Ya, dan yang paling penting juga sebelum Liga 1 bergulir, ada beberapa mungkin perhatian saya kepada skuad yang kita miliki, seperti solusi nanti bagaimana kalau kita kehilangan salah seorang pemain dikarenakan akumulasi kartu cedera. Jadi memang mudah-mudahan ada beberapa pemain yang kita dapat sebelum Liga 1 bergulir yang memang kualitasnya dibutuhkan oleh tim.
About the next opponent, I saw the match yesterday. They lose 1-0, but they have chances also to score. It was a balanced game. Opponent scored first, and after the game was changed because his lines are gonna be more defensive and try to make transitions. So we are prepared to a different game because Persikabo needs to win us to think about to go on the President Cup. But okay, it's important to analyze opponent team. I analyze opponent team, but for me it's more important develop of my players and special of my team.
Ya, penting katanya untuk memang menganalisa Persikabo. Namun yang paling penting adalah memang untuk mengembangkan skuad ini, memperbaiki skuad ini. Dan kita tahu bersama, saya nonton juga kemarin pertandingan dari Persikabo. Saya tahu mereka kalah 1-0. Mereka juga punya peluang. Permainan saya kira cukup seimbang. Dan tentu saja di pertandingan kedua setelah kekalahan ini, mereka akan mencoba pendekatan yang baru atau yang lain pada saat melawan PSM Makassar. Ya, kita lakukan tugas kita untuk menganalisa tim ini dan kita akan persiapkan tim, namun dengan tetap mengedepankan misi untuk mengembangkan skuad yang saya punya saat ini. This is the target against Persikabo.
The game we're gonna try to win, of course, but I think in this moment the target is to develop the team, see who's the players that going to help us and not going to help. What is the positions that we need urgent to get some player for this position or that position. But the target is win, but if we not win, at least we see that the team are better than yesterday.